Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will learn how to make quadratic factors. So quadratic factorization is the name of the topic. Okay, so let me write here two examples first of all. And I will also explain you here one thing, okay, what is taught in the class and what is given in the exam usually. And a student says, Miss, what is taught was different from what is given in the exam. This is a very common phrase, that what is given in the exam is always difficult, right? So if you focus on the technique, then it doesn't matter which type of question you get, you will be able to solve it. So look at these two questions. What is the difference you notice here? These two expressions, if you see the coefficient of x square, in this case, let me change the color. In this case, the coefficient of x square is 1. That's why it was not written. Whereas in this case, the coefficient of x square is 3. So technique of solving is same. What is the technique? This term is called constant, which is without any x. So you multiply this constant by the coefficient of x square. It is 1 here. So 12 ones are 12. I'm repeating. Multiply the constant by the coefficient of x square, whatever it is here. So 12 times 1 is 12. So first of all, I'll factorize this expression, then I will go to the second one. But the method will remain same. So after the multiplication, the number you get, write down all the factors of it. So you need to have a strong tables for this. So if I write here 12 times 1 is 12, 6 times 2 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, there is no other pair which can give me 12. Now out of these three pairs which I have gotten here, 12 and 1, 6 and 2, 4 and 3, which one, if you add or subtract, gives you plus 8? So of course 12 plus 1 is 13 and 12 minus 1 is 11. So this is out. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. So addition will give me 8. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is also out. It means 6 plus 2 will give me 8, right? So now I will break up this 8 into two parts, which is 6 and 2. So this expression will become x square plus 6x plus 2x plus 12. So you understood what did I do? I am splitting this middle term into two parts depending on the numbers I have gotten here. So it is 6x plus 2x. Now you have to take the common factor out from here, these two terms, and from here. So it will be x common, x plus 6, and what is common here in the second one? Plus 2. So it will be 6. So now you can see from here and here, the common factor is x plus 6 and x plus 2. So this is how you have factorized it. So let's see the second one now. I will multiply constant by the coefficient of x square, which is 3 here. So 6 times 3 is 18. Now what are the factors of 18? You need to have strong tables. So it is 18 times 1 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is 18. And that's all. 18 ones are 9 twos are 6 threes are 18. Now which one will give you 7 here? Plus 7. So if you look at the first one, 18 plus 1 is 19 and 18 minus 1 is 17. So out. 9 plus 2 is 11. No. 9 minus 2 is 7. Yes. So subtraction of these numbers will give me 7. If I see the third one, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 minus 3 is 3. So this is also out. So now I will write here 3x square plus 9x minus 2x minus 6. You know why? Because numbers were 9 and 2. But I want to get plus 7. Okay, because it is plus 7 here. So that's why 9 minus 2 will give me 7. And that's why I have written 9x minus 2x. Now from here I will take the common number out, the common factor, sorry, and then from here. So in the first one, the common factor is 3x. So I get 6x plus 3. Okay. And from the second one, this sign comes as it is. Okay, remember it. Minus 2. So x and minus multiplied by minus is plus. Sometimes a student copy down this sign as it is. Please avoid that mistake. So it is x plus 3. So now from here and here, the common is x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. So you have factorized it. Now let's see, for example, after these two examples, right? It is taught to you, for example, in the class, and question given to you in the exam is, for example, it is said factorize 30 plus 14k minus 4k square. Now the first thing will come in students' mind, this type of thing was never given. But if you focus, it is same thing. Let's rearrange it. In the two expression which I solved here, the x square term was written first. So let me write here k square terms first. And please remember the sign here was minus with minus 4k square. Okay, I'm writing it as it is. Numbers are very big here, 4, 14, 30. So I will see if I can simplify it. This will be my first approach. If not, then I will follow the same procedure. Otherwise, I will. So I will say, okay, so minus 2 is common, or you can take 2 common out. I will tell you why I'm taking minus 2 out. Okay, so now it will be 2 2s are 4, minus plus, this minus multiplied by this. Minus plus is minus 7k, minus plus is minus 15. Now this is easy. And why did I take minus 2 out? Because I wanted the coefficient of k square plus, because it's easy to handle. It's not impossible case, but it is easy to handle, right? So now if you see, this looks like exactly the second example we have taken here, right? In the pink on the top right. So you can now multiply 15 by 2, okay? So now I will multiply this constant by this coefficient of k square. Keep this minus 2 here as it is, okay? So 15 times 2 is what? 30. Now let's take the factors of this. 30 times 1 is 30. 2 times 15 is 30. 3 times 10 is 30. Perfect. So now I will see which pair out of these three will give me minus 7 after addition or subtraction. So let's see. 30 plus 1 is 31. No. 30 minus 1 is 29. Okay, out. 15 plus 2 is 17. What do I want? Minus 7. 15 plus 2 is 17. No. 15 minus 2 is 13. Out. 10 plus 3 is 13. No. 10 minus 3 will give me 7. But what do I want? I want minus 7. So I will do what? Minus 10 plus 3. Because minus 10 plus 3 will give me minus 7. So now, instead of this minus 7, I will write minus 10 plus 3. So let's continue here. So 2k square minus 10k plus 3k minus 15. Okay. Now I will take the common factor out from here. So it is minus 2. This I will keep here as it is, okay? So it will be k minus 5 because 2 5s are 10. This plus 3k I will take common out because 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 is common. K minus 5. So now if you notice here and here, k minus 5 is common. Agreed? So I will write k minus 5 and 2k plus 3. After that I will remove the square bracket and I will write it like this. This is called factorization. So in the next video, you will find the link. I will tell you how to factorize or simplify these type of question. Okay, this one. So you can see the link. Thank you very much. Take care. If you want to watch the next video, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.